a completely impromptu video. I really should be cleaning, but I needed a break and I was starting to pack because this time next week I will be on a plane for vacation and I am over the moon excited. It's a combination of vacation and Jeremy coming home. And as I was cleaning, I was starting to pack a little bit and I was trying to put together a kind of like a little capsule makeup collection I could bring with me. I don't think I'll be wearing makeup during the day, but I do have some beautiful dresses and I'm looking forward to dressing up in the evenings. So I wanted something that could be beautiful but lightweight. And if you've watched any of my other get ready with me videos, I don't know if it comes across, but I normally like powder products the best. I think they're easier to apply for myself, but I think that cream products do better, especially because I am kind of a sweaty person. So I am challenging myself to use mostly cream products. So this is, I have no real look in mind. This is very much me playing around and trying to, hopefully I can create something today. One product I know that I'm gonna use for sure, this has been such a huge favorite. It's the Nudestix matte blush slash bronzer, can kind of be whatever you want it to be in Sunkissed. This is gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna really play up my cheeks and try to look a little bit bronzier than normal, which it's not gonna be that hard to do. And then I'm gonna skip eyeshadow and then instead put all my effort into a really pretty metallic liner and lots of lashes. So that's my game plan a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Let me start off by talking about SPF really quick. This is what I've been using for the past couple months. It's the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So I have this in ivory, which has been great for me, but I have gotten a little bit of color just being outside more, and hopefully I'll get a little bit of color while we're there. Didn't want to have to buy a new tube of this because I still have plenty left. So what I tried today for the first time, and I think it worked out pretty well, I mixed in a little bit of the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine, I have the hardest time saying this, Sunshine Serum. Top swatch is the Impeccable Skin in Ivory, so it's a pretty light ivory, I think. And then if you haven't seen D-Bronzi before, I think I've swatched this on my channel before, this is beautiful. It can be a little bit dark on my skin tone, so less is more. But I think they mixed in beautifully today, so we'll see how this wears. I don't think, maybe, I don't know, I shouldn't say that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring foundation or not yet. If I do bring foundation, no question about it, I will be bringing the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation, and I have this in shade SF1. This has been my go-to foundation. I am not gonna talk about it because I talked about it so much in my last Get Ready With Me video. So if you wanna hear all the reasons why I like it, I will link that video in a card up above. I will definitely be bringing the Fitglow Concealer. I have this in shade C2, which is the second to lightest color, and I can use this, I can get away with using this both on blemishes and underneath my eyes. I do like to set this with powder. I'm gonna try to use as little powder as I possibly can and just take the RMS Unpowder only where I put concealer and really focus it underneath my eyes and a little bit around my nose. So other than that, I only have a little bit of the Sugar Rosé Lip Balm. This has SPF, I think these have SPF in it. Yeah, SPF 15, so not a ton, but it's nice to have a little bit of protection. And then the Plume Eyebrow Pomade, and I actually went on an unexpected hike. I had a full face of makeup on, so like heavy eyebrows, liner in the works, and I was so impressed by how the Plume lasted. I had the Plume on with a little bit of the Kush eyebrow gel from Milk Makeup, so I thought that combo worked great, so I'm just gonna roll with that and take it with me. And now I'm gonna move on to the star of the show. So this is, the official name is Nudestix Nudies Matte All Over Bronze Color, and I have this in Sunkissed. So I found, I think the way I like to apply this best is to take it straight from the tube onto the back of my hand and warm up the product. A little intimidating, but I think it's a gorgeous color. I'm picking it up on a Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm gonna start kind of close back to my hairline just in case I go overboard. It's always easier to blend back here than starting right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm using a light hand, trying to, and really blending it in, but there is something about this color I love. I think maybe it's the red undertone that makes it look a little bit more natural, and if you, like me, aren't the biggest cream product fan, this is a great place to start because I feel like they are very user-friendly. And while this is definitely not gonna be a no makeup look because I'm using a shimmery liner, so you'd definitely be able to tell there's makeup, I think that Nudestix, their branding and their products lend themselves to that more lived-in, natural look, which I think will be really nice for vacation. Honestly, I like this as it is, but just for the sake of showing you something else, this was one of the products that I bought during the Sephora sale, and I said I would show it in a video. This is the Ilia Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment in the shade Before Today. I'm just dotting a tiny bit right onto the apple of my cheek. Oh my word, these smell so good. Did I apply too much? Whenever I'm working with cream products, I keep a beauty blender to the side. That way I can just slightly pick up a little bit of excess product and help blend it out. I'm gonna do the other side and come back and see if I wanna blend that a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna leave my cheeks alone for a second. I have a little bit of product left over on the back of my hand from Sunkissed, and I picked up some with a fluffy brush. And I'm not gonna use eyeshadow today, but I do wanna create a little bit of warmth and definition in my crease. So I'm just gonna run this back and forth a little bit. I know I keep saying this, but it is such a pretty color, and I love something that I truly want to use as a multi-purpose product, something that looks good on both my cheeks and my eyes. I do think I'll pack a liquid highlighter. I'm not sure if it's going to be this one because the packaging is glass, but I wanted to show you this in action today. This is the only Ilia product that the jury's still out on for me. Their foundation and mascara 100% would recommend. This, I don't know, it didn't mix. I was kind of thinking it was gonna mix in nicely with the foundation, but I've tried that a couple times and I didn't love how that looked. So I'm just gonna apply it right on top of my cheekbones and blend it out with my finger. This is the Ilia highlighter. It's pretty. I have no real feelings for or against it. I think I'll have to play with it a little bit more before I can give you my final thoughts. If you can believe it, this is like the quickest get ready with me video ever because I'm not painstakingly trying to blend out eyeshadow. It just kind of is what it is. I'm gonna move on to eyeliner, and for that, I'm gonna use this Nudestix product. It is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in Rustic Grotto. I'm applying it straight from the pencil. Probably should have sharpened it a little bit before I started this video, and really focusing it on the outer portion of my eye, making sure to get it in between the lashes, and then I'm gonna pick up an angled brush and manipulate the shape and drag it up a little bit. I always feel bad when I get comments saying, oh, I wish you would have shown us how you did the eyeliner. You guys could see me. I have to get up so close to the mirror that basically my nose is pressing against the mirror. I don't know why. I have good eyesight, but there's just like some comfort with eyeliner. If the closer I am to the mirror, the steadier my hand is. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, this is it for eyeliner. That's it for the whole eye look, which is weird for me because I'm normally an eyeshadow person, but this is it. I'm gonna go take my hair down and then add some mascara, and I can show you the finished look, but gonna look like this. Well, I will say mascara does make a big difference, and I'm gonna use the Ilia mascara again today. That's the finished look. I was just trying it on with a couple different lip products. This is the Root Lip Serum from Fitglow Beauty. I also think I might bring that Hourglass lip gloss. I'll go run and grab that really quick. This is the Hourglass lip gloss from my last video, so I think I'm gonna keep it very simple and do something like a gloss or a tinted balm and let all the attention be on the eyes with the shimmery liner and mascara and this Ilia mascara. I just repurchased it, so I feel like it's official. I can say that I love it now, but I like also not just the look, but it also wears well throughout the day, yet it rinses easily. So you're not having to fight with it when you're removing your makeup. So it is fantastic. This was such a nice break, but I feel like I need to get back to cleaning and packing. But thank you for spending time with me. And also, if you like my planning content, I just filmed a planner video for the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel. So if that is up, I will put a link to it in the description box. But I hope your June is off to a great start, and I'll talk to you again when I get back.